I've made this link tree so it's easier for you guys to get into contact with me. If you want to find out more about the course, it's over on my Buy Me a Beer. If you want to simply get into contact with me, it's over on my crypto Twitter or my crypto Instagram. How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another XRP update today, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do. YouTube is all about engagement, so make sure you bump up the algorithm by liking, commenting, sharing, and of course subscribing if you can. The last few updates we've been talking about this reversal wave being created on XRP and meeting our 55-cent resistance on the left over here, because the structure to the left is giving us clues that we're now trapped between this red box and this green support as our range over here. So this is why we were calling in the last few updates after this rejection over here for a dump back to this gold area over here, as well as this green box underneath if this were to be lost. Because if we're now after setting a new swing high, now coming back to an old one to hold it as support, if this is actually lost, we head back to the next layer of support down over here. And we had a lot of confluence in the last few updates. As you see, price came down to this to this point and then retraced into the golden pocket. It is green because we're now above it, but at that moment we're meant to continue lower. I think our target was about 19 cents, and we see that we did not manage to get down there simply because we invalidated that head and shoulders pattern. So shoulder, head, and shoulder over here. This was the uptrending trend line. When you lose this, you validate the pattern. The target was about 19 cents, but we see that the pattern's target was not met simply because we came to a horizontal level of support. And if you weren't actually tuning into the last few XRP updates, I was essentially saying when we have a head and shoulders pattern that has an upward trending neckline, please also look for the lowest support, horizontal one. As you see in this scenario over here, we validated this target down to 19 cent. But when we actually reached 30 cent, we completely reversed, reclaimed the neckline, which was 34 cent, flipped it into support, and then the pattern down to 19 cent is no longer happening. I hope that was easy to understand. No worries if not, because I have everything in place that you need from zero knowledge into becoming a self-sufficient trader. I've also just now opened my chat to the public. There is more information through my Buy Me a Beer link. So hit that hit the link tree. It'll bring you all the links you need to message me on my Instagram, Twitter, or find out more information on the course, the mentorship, and the chat, all over on my Buy Me a Beer link, or you can message me. Again, the course is now down to £90 for the remainder of this week. A few of you have taken action, so yeah, just message me on one of those links, or just take action on the Buy Me a Beer link if you're interested in that. But we've created the reversal wave by, again, reclaiming this, holding it as support, heading back to the golden pocket but rejecting it. Then we would say, okay, this is another opportunity for the bears to push price below this dotted trend line to head back to this green one and hopefully lose it, heading back down to the target out of the head and shoulders pattern, which was 19 cent. But we can see this, we use this as a pivot point, this uptrended dotted trend line, and I just drew a horizontal one as well at about 35 cent. So we held this as support and we looked to put in a new higher high that broke above the resistance, which gave us opportunities on two separate occasions to actually head down to 19 cent. Do you understand that? So this big green box, it was once gold, just because it's the golden pocket, but it is acting as resistance. So in our minds, let's just pretend that it's red like this resistance. And so from this location and this one, it could have gone to 19 cent on both times, but we kept on holding this upward trend line, giving us this upward trajectory basically. And we're looking to make higher highs above this brick wall, again, which was once support. We can see when we pushed through, that was our top. Where did we fall back to? Support. When we held that, where did we go to? Resistance. When we held that, where did we go to? Support. Until one of them gave in, and in this case the support. But when we enter this range now and hold its support, it makes sense that we're going to continue up to there. Now I have made updates saying and kept in the thumbnail that this 60 and 90 cent target, simply because I do have the belief we are still going there, simply because as the reversal wave is created, we're now, and confirming it as support over here, we're trying to break through the 1 fib level, but we can see that it's struggling to do so on the first attempt. So that's why we're coming back down to the previous resistance now as support, looking for that continuation to break past the 1 fib level and actually head higher. Can you see that our first target, once we break through 55, would be beyond our first target of 60 cent, and that would be a 65 cent target. Not only that, we do have an eventual target at about 90 cent over here, but we can see that we've got a lot of resistances in the way, these other fib levels, and the criteria to get up to even beyond 90 cent, we're looking at a $1 XRP, we're looking at a $1.25 XRP potentially, as long as we can fulfill this criteria. So what is the criteria? We just need to simply, now that we've created the reversal wave, hold above this. So going forward, if we want to meet $1.25, which from current price would be a move of 140%. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's check out our first target at 60 cent. So 60 cent over here would be 16%, a 16% pump. Then 90 cent would be a 75% pump, and then 125, I wish, $1.25 will be a 142% pump for XRP going forward. Now I'm just going to scale out to the weekly time frame just to show you why I have this golden area. I'm going to make it a little bit more accurate for you guys, but essentially I'm looking at the first actually the highest point over here, which was $3.30. I'm taking it back down to my lowest point in 2020 over here. And it's giving us these two key targets over here. That is our golden pocket, which we actually had a go at breaking above. This is very similar to what we saw with Bitcoin back in the 2019 run up, where we actually got above the golden pocket. So this is a level that should be respected as resistance. So I'll leave it as red for now. So after a big wave down like this, what we're essentially meant to do is run into this area to then continue lower. But we did something quite nice in breaking above it. This creates the reversal wave, but we can see the red box did not flip into support. We lost it again. So that's actually fine, because if this is a wave up, I'm going to measure this with my fibs, and then it's giving us a golden pocket down here between the 33 and 46 cents. So let's check out where that 33 cent is over here. So 33 cent, right there we go. So there we can see, if I draw a line on 33 cent, we did play around with it, have a little fake outs underneath, but essentially holding a support there, and they're looking for that bullish continuation. So we came down to that golden pocket and actually are looking for continuation, maybe another wave up like this potentially. So obviously really long term, but that would suggest a $5 target eventually. But right now the main focus is, after meeting this lower golden pocket, we're going to come back to this one, and that would suggest a target of 60 to 91 cent. So to 61 to 91 cent, and that's exactly why we mentioned that on the lower time frames. So yeah, just going back to the daily time frame, I just want to make sure that we are onwards and upwards towards these targets. We actually need to wait for a close above 55 cents, but let's just check from this low over here to this high, because we started to come down and we started this new push up. So I'm measuring this new push up, and it's saying we've already returned to the golden pocket over here. So that's nice to see. So above this green one, created the reversal wave, looking for the reversal wave targets over here: 65, 70, 79, 98, 115, 125. But we need to remain above 40 cent at all costs for all of these targets to happen. And at the moment, after coming down over here, we've come into this shorter term golden pocket. If this is lost, we do have a key level of support over here, the other golden pocket. So these two just need to hold to get this continuation higher. I hope this was a clear update for you guys. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share it, and turn on the notification bell on so you know when these actually do come out, as everything here is time sensitive. I hope to see you in my Discord community. No one has yet to join, but make sure you go check out the deals that I have at the moment that won't last until next week. So they will end this week. That's the course being a 6-hour long course, 35 plus videos teaching you from zero knowledge into a self-sufficient trader, as well as including my group chat in there as well in the price. You can take action on this over on my Twitter, Instagram, or the Buy Me a Beer link. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you in the next update. And as always, peace. There's a link tree in the comment section or the description down below, or even in the top right corner. You can just click it over here somewhere, and yeah, it can take you to my crypto Twitter, Instagram, where you can private message me. If you want to actually just take action on the course or the mentorship without talking to me, head over to my Buy Me a Bit. Now, bring up a page looking like this. You can even get one single mentorship session anyway, but all the details that you need here, you get 10 sessions, and here you get 30 plus videos, 6-hour course, and yeah, all the information you need is over here.